Hello everyone, welcome back to our day 8 of 30 days Python series. And in this video, we are going to learn about list in Python. So list that can be used anywhere in your program. You can add multiple things like you can add numbers, you can add a string, you can add anything in the list. In the list, you can modify it. You can add the things, you can remove the items from the list, and you can insert the item between any item. So let me just show you how that list will work. So it's very simple. To create a list in Python, we just need to define here like my list, okay, and equal, and you need to use here square brackets, okay. It's simply like this, and you just need to put the value, suppose the 1, and use the comma as like 2, then comma, then 3, then comma, then double quotation, and just gonna put here the hello, and then comma, and just put the 3.14 decimal values. So this is your list, okay. So you have the 3, 4, 5 items in your list. Now if you want to print that list, so it's simply called print my list. Simply let's run this. You can see this is your list. Now if you want to just print the only one value from your list, so you can do this. So just print in the my list. You need to pass the index. To pass the index, you need to use here again the brackets, and you can pass the 0. So what is 0? So this is the index value. In the programming, the index value starts from 0. 0 means this is the one that is stored in the 0. We will use here 1, so that will count this is the 1, okay. Now let me just run this, how this will work. You can see this is 1 because 0 is 1, okay. If I just want to print the hello, then what will be this? 0, 1, 2, 3. So let me just put the 3 here, and let's run this. You can see hello. Let's run this again. You can see the hello, right? Because we just put the 3 in the index. So I just want to add the values in my list. So that I'm going to use here the append. So it's simply like my list dot append, and we need to put the value. So it's like this, and just put the value as like 40, okay. And when I print the my list, that should be my list will be, let me just remove these from print here, and let's run this. You can see 1, 2, 3 hello, 3.14, and 40 also in my list. Now if you want to insert the value between the 1 or 2, how we can do this? So it's simply my list dot insert, okay. And which value we need to insert, or where we need to insert, okay. So we need to insert that value in 1. It means the index 1 after the 1, and the value should be 20, okay. Now let's just print this my list, and let's run this. You can see 120, it's 20 is here now because we put that 20 in the 1, okay, 1 value, then 2, 3, and same value. Extend the list. So simply just put again my list, okay, dot extend. Now in the extend, you need to use here the square bracket, and you need to pass the values like 50, 60, and 70. And let's print this list, and you will see here my list. Let me just clear this, and let's run it. You can see this is the value list, right? So what we have learned that how we can use the list, how we can add the value, and how we can insert the value in the between the items. Now how we can remove it? So it's very simple. Like let me just remove all the things here. And to remove the value from the list, you just need to use here my list dot remove, okay. So in the remove, you can pass the value. So suppose I want to just remove the 2, okay, like this. Here is the 2. Let me just print that, how this will work. My list, let's run it. You can see 1, 3 hello, 3.4, right? It means we have removed the value 2, but I want to remove the value from the index. How we can do this? So it's simply my list dot pop. We need to use the pop here, and then just put here the 2. So 2 means that is the index value. It means 0, 1, 2. That will remove the 3 from the list. Okay. So print it, my list. Let's run this. You can see 1, 3 and 3.4. That remove the hello, because we already have removed the 2 from here. Okay. It means if I just remove it from here, if I will not remove this, okay, then that will remove the 3. You can see 1 and 2, because we already have removed here 2, then that index value 2 will be the hello. Okay, because it's a 1, because we already have removed the 2, then 0, 1 and 2, like this. If you want to clear the all list, so simply just call here my list dot clear. Let's run this. You can see there's null value, right? Let me just run it again. You can see null, right? So these are the list in the Python. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.